Hello from House of Gems. Today I'm going to show you how to use our thimbles. They'll help protect your wire from fraying as it rubs against the metal of your clasp. We have our gold filled for the tutorial today, but we also carry rose gold and sterling silver. First, you're going to add a crimp bead and then your thimble. So you go through the hole, wrap around it into the other hole. And you want to keep your wires from crossing. And this is where we'll be adding our clasp. You want to make sure your thimble is going to go through your clasp. You're going back into the crimp bead. Okay. And now, with our crimping tool, you're gonna put it right on that second kidney opening. And again, make sure it's nice and tight. And squish. Now here, I like to feed the wire into the bead so I can hide it a little better. There, it's nice and hidden, can't see it. And you're attached to your clasp. So now, crimp cover this little guy. Now be careful not to have it squish on the side, so just go slowly. I'm going to make sure it's there. Once you know it's there, we're ready to squeeze. And voila! And now you're just gonna attach your jump ring, and we are finished.